The heat.
Wearing a bra.
Mobile charger.
A steel comb.
Periods.
What's the most annoying thing for women in summer?
Everything makes me annoyed in summer. Yeah, if there's no AC, basically feel the heat.
Maybe the feeling to like you have to dress up but you're also about to sweat and you also have to get your makeup and yeah, maybe this.
Apart from the sweat and the smell from the men, there is a lot of things. Traveling is also a very big.
Yeah, that too. About hair, because I have a long hair. To getting hair wet in summer, and also about the dresses sometimes. Sometimes you want to wear a winter clothes in summer, but you can't. That's the way. That's very difficult.
Wearing a bra, it gets really annoying.
I think it's the hair. It just gets too sticky, too greasy, and there's nothing you can do about it. I mean, I can't go bald every day, but yeah.
I think there are a lot keeping makeup on because have to redo it again and again.
Wearing a bra.
I can just do the action. Periods.
In summer?
Yeah.
Of course, the heat.
Most annoying thing that we have to wear full clothes, unlike, men. So yeah.
Can I say that? Periods. Terrible sweat and traveling maybe.
The heat.
For me, it is a sweat because I have to head wash every day. It's really annoying.
Putting all those hours to makeup and then all of it getting destroyed within seconds. And especially when you have like oily skin. I have oily skin and you can already see it on my face.
Can you give us a hack that makes your life better?
Like a long shower.
Want to achieve something, then you should read books.
Take the things easy. Just let it go. Don't take it to your head.
I think my answer to everything is dancing at this point. If I'm happy, if I'm sad, overwhelmed, it's like my favorite outlet.
I think just have to take it easy. Whatever comes your way, just take it easy.
Walking in nature.
Just smile a day and that's it. You're good to go.
Just be in the moment. Don't worry about the past. Don't worry about the future. Don't think about the past. Just be in the moment and have fun.
Use a steel comb. Will change your life massively. A steel comb. I repeat. Yeah. It is a lifesaver.
A charger actually. Mobile charger.
I believe having a bun is any day good, whether it is summer, winter, or anything. So that is my hack.
I think don't think too much and surrender to the situation.
Stop thinking about what others think. Like the day you start, having that I don't care what others think and I'll do what pleases me is I think when you will get over a lot of things, a lot of difficulties. Like I try to follow it, but yeah, still trying.
Instant coffee.
Google. Google's my go-to for everything. Best hack.
I need a manager to manage me.